Okay, question 3. Work out 50% of 86. Well, 50% is the same thing as a half. So it's like working out a half of 86. Well, a half of 80 is 40 and a half of 6 is 3, so it's 43. Okay, work out the following. Now we need to remember our BIDMAS rule here, BIDMAS. And that tells us that the first thing we do, operation is in brackets. Then we do, so that's brackets. Then we tend to do indices, that's powers. Now division and multiplication happen at the same time, as does addition and subtraction. Okay, so they happen at the same time. So here we have an addition and a multiplication. The m is before the a, so we must do that first. And 5 times 2 is 10. And then we do the 3 plus 10, which is 13. Write down an estimate for the square root of 60. This sign here means square root. Now, if you know your square numbers, so say if you took the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, let's say. 1 squared means 1 times 1, which is 1. 2 squared means 2 times 2, which is 4. 3 squared is 3 times 3 is 9. 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. 5 squared is 5 times 5 is 25. 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is 36. 7 squared is 7 times 7, which is 49. 8 squared is 8 times 8, which is 64. And 9 squared is 9 times 9, which is 81. Out of interest, 10 squared would be 100. So they're the numbers and they're the squares. Now, if I was getting the square root, it's going back from the square to the number that's squared to it. Now, what number squares to near 60? It's between 7 and 8, because if I took the square root of 49, I'd get 7. If I took the square root of 64, I'd get 8. So it's somewhere between 7 and 8, and I'd say it's even a bit closer to 8, so I might estimate it to one decimal place to be something like 7.6. Okay, and we're done.